Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have Outlook open and accounts synced. Start now by updating and restarting if needed so rules apply consistently. Create a few top-level folders: Action, Read Later, Reference, Projects, because structure beats ad hoc archiving. Once done, disable duplicate focused views and switch to a unified inbox so you see every message. Next, move 3 representative emails into those folders to seed automated sorting. This small act trains you and gives immediate visible progress that makes the next steps faster. Now automate. Create rules that move newsletters, receipts, and project mail into folders automatically. Test each rule on recent messages to avoid mistakes. Use categories and conditional formatting to color code by urgency and project, which speeds visual triage. Once rules run, set up search folders for unread, action, and each active project so you can jump to high-priority work instantly. Make sure to run the cleanup tool on long threads and combine similar rules to prevent conflicts as your system stabilizes. Finish by archiving older messages via auto-archive or manual tags so current folders stay lean. Apply retention policies if required. Then create quick steps and keyboard shortcuts for repeat actions like Move plus Mark Read to shave minutes every day. Finally, set a weekly review reminder to prune folders and update rules. If something breaks, like rules stop moving mail, disable the most recent rule, run the mailbox repair utility, and reapply your folder template. This simple triage resolves most sync and rule conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.